our final score for this piece, we've added a few more elements. We have this melody in the violins that we have in octaves, and that continues throughout the end. We also have a few glockenspiel accents here and there. Just to recap, we started with a 2-measure ostinato pattern in the key of D minor, and we essentially repeat that pattern over and over, and we modulate up by a third every 2 measures. So here we move to F minor, A flat minor, and then up to B minor. And along the way, we add these supporting elements like piano to provide extra eighth notes and extra energy. We have the woodwinds that are sustaining notes in the harmony. They're adding this dynamic swell, the crescendo, decrescendo. And in the background, we have percussion ramping up energy. And then in this score, we add melody with violins in octaves and some little accents with glockenspiel. So modulation is a great way to take a simple idea and try to get a lot of mileage out of it. Without really recomposing very much, we can take one musical idea, move it up, and repeat it. We did add some harmonic inversions by playing bass notes that aren't the root of the chord, but otherwise there's a lot of repetition. So I hope it gives you some insight into compositional possibilities. And yeah, I guess that's it.